Woke up in London yesterday, found myself in the city near Piccadilly. Don't really know how I got here. Got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers that I don't know. Addresses, places like Abbey Road. Day turns to night, and turns to whatever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be good life. This could really be good.
Danielle is taking a photo of Topshop. Look there. Ooh. What do you have to say before you go in?
I'm so excited!
Why are we just standing here? Let's run inside! Woo!
Oh, too close. Hello?
Hello. Danielle is shopping.
I'm being followed.
Yes, you are.
Shopping.
Hey Danielle.
Hey.
Hey, this is and a Claire's. This is my Claire's bag. Just wait a minute. A bit too much. A bit too much. So we got this friend's necklace. And can you like help me out here?
Cute cupcakes on it.
Okay.
It's like your hair on it, or my hair.
I don't know.
There's like, oh,
There.
I go. Okay, I'll put it behind my back and then pinch it. Oh, are you kidding me? I have to unflip them both.
That is so weird.
It's all pink. Are you
Oh my
kidding me?
Yes, just kidding.
Technical difficulties. God,
This is so annoying.
just wait, just wait. Just wait. Almost there. God.
Okay, so I get this one, and this says Friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't even see it, but
Är det skål?
Du ska bara fortsätta filma.